Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix P068A or a no start condition in your Audi A4 through TT 2009 to 2014. This is basically dealing with the engine control module,
the J271 relay.
It lays under the wiper cowl on the right side. You're going to have to remove the ECM, and basically you take the plenum cover out. You remove the washer reservoir filler neck, you remove the screws, and then you remove the ECM. And then the J271 relay is now accessible. You pretty much just pop that one out right there, and you replace it with a new one. If you want to, you can test your voltage with a multimeter, but that's pretty much it. You just clear the memory, and you're pretty much done.